Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
And I'm Rachel. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, so happy. Before we start, we have a small request.
Yes, please subscribe to our channel. Click that subscribe button.
And give us a like, a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot.
And please share this podcast with your friends and family. Everyone who wants to learn English.
Exactly. Thank you so much.
Okay, Charles, what is our topic for today?
Today we have a very important topic.
Oh,
Yes, the topic is how to study English when you don't want to.
ooh, I know this feeling.
Me too. You are tired, you are busy, you just don't feel like it.
Yes, you wait for inspiration.
Inspiration. That's a good word. What is inspiration, Rachel?
Inspiration is a feeling, a good feeling. You feel excited.
Yes, you think, today I want to learn. I will study for 3 hours.
Yes, I feel strong. I feel smart.
But this feeling, it does not come every day.
No, it comes on Monday, but on Tuesday?
On Tuesday, you are tired. It is raining. Your sofa looks very comfortable.
And you say, I will stay tomorrow.
Tomorrow. The most dangerous word for learning.
Yes, because tomorrow becomes next week and then next month.
This is a big, big problem. We wait and wait for that inspiration feeling.
But the feeling does not come.
And we don't learn. We don't practice.
So, what do we do, Charles? How do we study when we feel lazy or tired?
This is the big question. Learning English is not magic.
No, it is work. Good work, but it is work.
You have to push yourself. You have to chase your dream.
A dream. Yes, I think that is tip number 1.
What is tip number 1, Rachel?
Remember your why.
My why? What does that mean?
It means, why are you learning English?
That is a very, very good question.
Why do you sit down to study? What is your big reason?
My why? Maybe it is for a new job, a better job.
Yes, a new job is a big why. That is a fantastic dream.
Or maybe someone is learning English for travel.
Ooh, travel. To go to London or New York or Sydney.
Yes, to see the world, to talk to new people.
That is a great why. What are other whys?
Maybe for school, to study at a university.
Or for family. Maybe your family lives in another country.
Yes, or maybe just for fun, to watch movies with no subtitles.
That is my dream, to watch a movie and understand everything.
That is a great dream, Rachel.
So, when you feel tired, when you feel lazy,
You must stop and think about your why.
yes, you think, I don't want to study.
But I want that new job.
I want to talk to my friend in Canada.
I want to understand that movie.
This why is your energy. It is your motivation.
Inspiration is a feeling. Your why is your reason. The reason is stronger.
I agree. You should write your why down.
Good idea. Get a piece of paper.
And write, my dream, a new job.
Put the paper on your wall. Put it on your computer.
So you see it every day.
When you see your dream, it helps you start. It helps you do the work.
That is a great tip. Remember your dream.
Okay, so I remember my dream. I want to travel. But I am still tired.
Yes, the dream helps, but the sofa is still very comfortable.
So, what is tip number 2?
Tip number 2. Build a habit.
A habit. What is a habit?
A habit is something you do every day. It is automatic.
Ah, like brushing my teeth.
Yes, do you wait for inspiration to brush your teeth?
No. Oh, I don't feel inspired to brush my teeth today.
No, that's funny. You just do it.
It's automatic. I don't think about it.
We need to make English automatic, like brushing your teeth.
How do we do that?
We must do it every day.
Every day, even for a short time?
Yes, some people say study for 5 minutes every day.
5 minutes? Is that good?
5 minutes is good to start. It is better than 0.
But let's be honest. 5 minutes a day. Will you learn English fast?
No. No, a big dream, like a new job or university, needs big work.
Yes. You have to make an effort. You have to work for your dream.
So maybe 5 minutes is good for day 1, to build the habit.
But we need more.
Yes, maybe 20 minutes every day or 30 minutes.
The important part is every day.
Yes, 30 minutes on Monday, 30 minutes on Tuesday, 30 minutes on Wednesday.
Not 4 hours on Saturday.
Exactly. 30 minutes every day is better than 4 hours on one day.
Why?
Because you are building that habit. You are training your brain every single day.
It becomes normal.
Yes, it becomes part of your day, like breakfast, like brushing your teeth.
And you must do it even when you are tired?
Especially when you are tired.
Wow, that is hard.
It is hard. This is called discipline.
Discipline. That's a strong word.
It means you do what you need to do, even when you don't want to.
So, on Tuesday, when I am tired, I look at my why,
I want to travel.
and then I use my discipline. I will study for 30 minutes.
Yes, you sit down, you open your book, you start.
And you know, after 5 minutes, it often feels easier.
That is so true. The hardest part is starting.
A habit is stronger than inspiration. Inspiration is a visitor. A habit lives in your house.
I love that. My English habit lives with me.
Okay, so I have my why, and I am building my habit. 30 minutes every day.
Good job.
But starting is so hard. I look at my desk, I look at my book, and I just wait.
I know. So, tip number 3. Make it easy to start.
Easy? But you said it is hard work.
The work is hard, but starting can be easy.
How?
Prepare. Get your things ready.
What do you mean?
Don't leave your English book in your bag or under your bed.
Okay.
The night before, put your English book on your desk.
Ah, so it is ready.
Yes, put your book, put your notebook, put your favorite pen.
So in the morning, I just sit down.
And everything is there. It is waiting for you.
I don't need to find my book. I don't need to find my pen.
Yes, no excuses.
I like that. No excuses.
If you listen to podcasts,
Like English on the way.
yes, get your headphones, put them on your desk with your phone.
Make it easy. If it is easy to start, you will do it.
Yes, if your book is lost, you will say, "Oh, I will find it tomorrow."
And tomorrow never comes.
Right, so prepare your study space, make it nice, make it clean, make it ready.
My desk is ready. My book is open.
Perfect.
But it's my grammar book.
Oh,
I look at the grammar and I feel so tired. I don't want to do it.
yes, grammar can be difficult.
So what now? I have my why, I have my habit, my desk is ready, but I really don't want to study grammar.
This is a great question. This is tip number 4.
What is it?
On lazy days, do lazy English.
Lazy English? What is that?
It means do something in English that is easy and fun.
So I don't have to study my grammar book?
Maybe not today. If you are very, very tired, it is okay.
The important thing is to keep the habit.
Yes, don't do zero English. Do easy English.
What is easy English?
Listen to music.
Ah, I love English music.
Yes, put on your favorite songs. Read the lyrics. Sing.
That is studying?
Yes, you are listening. You are reading. You are practicing pronunciation. It is fantastic practice.
And it is fun.
Exactly. Or watch a video on YouTube.
A short video.
Yes, a video about cooking, or travel, or video games. Something you like.
But in English.
In English, with English subtitles.
That is a great idea. So on my energy days, my good days, I study grammar.
Yes, you do the hard work. You practice speaking.
But on my tired days, my lazy days,
You listen to music, or you watch a cartoon, or you read a simple comic book.
but I still do it. I still do my 30 minutes.
Yes, the habit is alive. You did not do zero.
And that makes me feel good. I kept my promise.
Yes, be kind to yourself. It is okay to have tired days.
The important thing is to continue, to not stop.
That is the real secret. Just don't stop.
Wow, these are great tips, Rachel.
We make a good team.
So let's review for everyone.
Was, how to study when you don't feel like it.
First, don't wait for inspiration.
No, inspiration is not your friend. Your dream is your friend.
Tip number 1. Remember your why, your dream. Write it down.
Tip number 2. Build a habit. Do it every day, even when you are tired.
Yes, this is discipline. It is hard work, but it is how you get your dream.
30 minutes every day is better than 4 hours on Saturday.
Tip number 3. Make it easy to start. Prepare your desk. Put your book and pen ready.
No excuses.
And tip number 4. On tired days, be kind. Do easy English.
Yes, listen to music, watch a video, read a fun story.
But do something.
Keep the habit alive.
This is how you really learn. This is how you chase your dreams.
You can do it. We know you can.
Wow, that was a fantastic topic. I feel motivated now.
Me too. I want to go study.
That is all our time for today. Thank you all so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. We hope this was helpful.
Please remember to subscribe to our channel, English on the Way.
And give us a thumbs up, a like. It helps other students find us.
And share this episode. If you have a friend who feels tired, send this to them.
Yes, and for today's comment.
Ooh, yes. Tell us in the comments, what is your why?
Yes, why are you learning English?
Is it for a job? For travel? For school? For love?
Ooh, tell us your dream. We really, really want to read it.
Yes, we do. Thank you all for listening. Until next time,
Keep practicing. Bye, everyone.
bye.